Welcome back friends. Yesterday we start one topic that is multiplication of integer. Before starting one more topic related to multiplication of integer, we revise the previous topic, that is what? Multiplication of positive integer with a negative integer. If one integer is positive and one integer is negative. So how we will perform the multiplication? गई काले शिखवाड़े तो डायरेक्ट you need to multiply the number as the whole number and put the negative sign into the answer. બે નંબર એવી રીતે જ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાના જે રીતે સિમ્પલ હોલ નંબરને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ છીએ, but you need to write negative sign into the answer. Clear? So first again we revise that topic. -2/3. Here you can see -2 that is negative and 3 that is positive. We can also write -2 multiply 3 as -2 plus -2 plus -2. Why? Because multiplication can be written as addition of numbers. Yes or no? How can we represent this on number 9? So we can represent -2 and -2 and -2 that are in addition on number 9 like this. From 0 first jump at the -2, next jump at -4 and third jump at -6. So you will get -2 plus -2 plus -2 that is -6. Okay. Again -6 into 3. 6 3s are 80 and negative sign into the answer. -2 multiply 5 that is 2 5s are 10 and negative sign into the answer. -1 multiply 1 is -1 that is answer. Clear? Now next topic that is multiplication of two negative integer. जो બે number negative હોય તો multiplication કેવી રીતે કરવાનું? Okay, here one pattern is given. So first is -3 multiply 4 that is -12. Why? Because 3 4s are 12 and negative sign into the answer. -3 multiply 3 3 3s are 9 and negative sign into the answer. Means what are we perform from -12 to 9? कोई पर number, for example we have to get 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6. So what we get in a 3 2s are, we are adding 3 in a previous number. તમે table પણ આ રીતે remember કરતા હતા. Okay, 3 3s are 9. So we need to add 3 into the previous one that is 6. 6 માં 3 add કરો તો 3 3s are 9 મળે. 9 માં 3 add કરો તો 12 મળે. So we are performing the addition of integer number in a table. Same we need to find pattern for this. આપણે આના માટે પણ pattern find કરવાની છે કે કયો નંબર એડ કરીએ કાં તો કયો નંબર સબટ્રેક્ટ કરીએ. Now you can see -3 multiply 2 that is -6 means if we subtract negative integer that is -3. હવે સિમ્પલ 3 1s are 3 હતા તો 3 એડ કરતા હતા. For integer we need to subtract negative integer. Okay, integers na multiplication માં શું કરવાનું? Subtract negative integer. So if we subtract negative integer into previous one that is -9, we will get -6 but minus minus plus, so it is -9 plus 3 that is -6. Same -3 into 1 that is -3. How? -6 plus 3 that is -3. Now how we get -3 into 0 that is -3 plus 3 that is 0. Now -3 multiply -1. How we can get -1? We need to add 3 into 0. So 0 minus minus 3 this is nothing but the addition of 3. Minus minus plus, so 0 plus 3 is 3. -3 multiply -2 that is 3 plus 3 that is 6. What you have to remember, if you don't remember this series doesn't matter. This is only to show the pattern. કઈ pattern થી multiplication ના આન્સર આવે છે એ બતાવ્યું છે. But what you have to remember that is given in a note, a product of two negative integer. If there are two negative integer is a positive integer. If there is a number two negative integer in a product, answer is positive integer. જો બે negative integer હોય તો answer શું આવે? Positive. બે negative integer answer positive. You can see -3 -1 that is +3. -2 -2 5 5 are 25 and plus 6 2 are 12 and plus in a answer. 4 3 are 12 and plus in a answer. 8 6 are 48 plus in a answer. Why? Because if you multiply two negative integer, answer is positive integer. जो बे negative integer हो तो answer positive. We multiply the two negative integer as the whole number. બંને number ને simple whole number રીતે જ multiply કરવાના and put the positive sign before the product. Means minus a multiply minus b is equal to a multiply b. What we learn in this topic, that is if there is one negative integer, कोई पण एक नेगेटिव होय एक पॉजिटिव होय तो आंसर શું આવે નેગેટિવ. જો બંને નેગેટિવ હોય તો આન્સર શું આવે પોઝિટિવ. Again, if one negative one positive, answer is negative and both are negative, then answer is positive. What we have learned, if one negative and one positive, then answer is negative, and if both are negative, then answer is positive. Okay, this thing we learn in this topic. Now if product of three or more integers, here we learn up to for two integers, અહીંયા આપણે શું ભણ્યા ખાલી બે integers માટે. But if there are more integers in a product, so here first example is minus 3 multiply minus 2 multiply 2. You can see here three integers are there. So same you need to apply this two rule. You need to apply this two rule. If one negative, then answer is negative. Two negative, answer is positive. So first we multiply this two number as we perform in a normal multiplication. Normal multiplication માં ઘણા બધા multiplication આવે તો આપણે 1 by 1 multiply કરતા જઈએ. Same we need to perform for integers. Here minus 3 and minus 2 both are negative, answer will be positive. So that is 3 2s are 6 but positive, and after that we need to multiply 2, that is 6 2s are 12. So answer is plus 12. Same minus 6 multiply 2 multiply minus 2. Again you can multiply any two numbers first. So I multiply minus 6 with 2. One negative, one positive. So it is minus 12 multiply minus 2 at the last. 12 2s are 24 but positive. Why positive? Because minus 2 is negative and 12 is also negative. Now 3 multiply minus 3, one negative, one positive, answer is negative. Minus 9, after that minus 3, so that is 27 but sign of answer sign will be plus. Minus 2 multiply minus 3, that is 6, and at the last we need to multiply minus 2, that is 6 2s are 12 but negative. Okay, now next one minus 2 multiply minus 2, that is 4. Now multiply this number because here 4 integers are there. So we will make a group of first two and last two. So 2 5s are 10 but positive. Why? Because both are negative. So answer will be 40. From this 4 example, can you see any pattern? You can see here how many negative sign, how many negative integer? 2. Answer is positive. Here 2 negative integer, answer is positive. Here again 2 negative integer, answer is positive. Here 3 negative integer, અહીંયા 3 negative integer છે તો answer શું આવે negative. Here 4 negative integer, answer is positive. Means if the number of negative integers in a product is even, if number of negative integers are even, means अगर two negative integer होय, 4 negative integer होय, 6 negative integer होय, 8 negative integer होय, then the product is positive integer. If it is even, then answer is positive. Normal multiplication for whole number. If the number of negative integers in a product is odd, then नेगेटिव इंटीजर जो 1 नेगेटिव इंटीजर होय 3 नेगेटिव इंटीजर होय 5 नेगेटिव इंटीजर होय then answer is negative integer. You can see here 3 negative sign, answer is negative. 4 negative sign, answer is positive. 2 negative sign, answer is positive. Okay, again if there are even number of negative integer कोई पण होय पण जो even number માં હોય means 2 negative integer હોય કાં તો 4 negative integer હોય 8 negative integer હોય તો શું કરવાનું answer positive. जो 1 negative integer 3 negative integer 5 negative integer then answer is negative. Here I am counting the number of negative integer. Okay, અહીંયા શું કાઉન્ટ કરવાનું ખાલી કેટલા નેગેટિવ નંબર છે. Here 2 negative integer, here 3 negative integer. Okay, likewise you can perform the numbers that are in a homework. Okay, you have to solve this example in homework. How many negative integer? For first example 3. तो आंसर શું આવશે જે પણ નંબર આવે but answer negative આવશે. Here 4 negative number so answer is positive. Here 3 so answer is negative. Here 4 answer is positive. બરાબર ખાલી એ કાઉન્ટ કરવાનું છે કે કેટલા નેગેટિવ નંબર છે. નંબર નું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન સિમ્પલ હોલ નંબર માં કરીએ એ રીતે જ કરવાનું છે. 3 6 2 12 12 5s are 60. Okay, same you need to multiply for remaining. Properties of integer for multiplication. Next topic is property for integers of multiplication. Means as we learn properties for addition and subtraction, closure property, commutative, associative and distributive, that we learn for addition and subtraction of integer. Today we will learn closure property, commutative, associative and distributive property but for multiplication. Okay, so first property is closure. What is closure property for addition? Do you remember that? Closure property says that if two number for addition, if two number are integer in addition then answer is integer. जो બે નંબર integer હોય અને આન્સર પણ integer આવે તો એને શું કહેવાય closure property is satisfied. For multiplication we can write -2 multiply -5, that is what 10. 6 multiply -3, you can see -2 is integer, -5 is integer and answer 10 is also integer. Next example 6 is integer, -3 is integer and -18 is also integer. Means for two integers a and b are integers so a multiply b is also integer. This property says that કોઈ પણ બે integer નું multiplication કરો અને answer integer જ આવે means it is closed for multiplication. This property is satisfied for multiplication. Why? You can see from these two examples. If you multiply two integer, answer is integer. That's why integers are closed under multiplication. Means બે integer નું multiply કરો તો integer જ આવે. Okay. After closure property, next property is commutativity for multiplication. Now, do you remember the commutative property for addition? Yes, it is a plus b is equal to b plus a. What commutative property says? That you can change the order in a addition. Now you have to check it is possible also for multiplication, yes or no. Okay, so first here -3 multiply 4, 3 4s are 12 and answer is -12 because one negative integer. And if you change the order 4 multiply -3 that is -12. You can see both answer are same. So next example -2 multiply -5, 2 5s are 10, answer is positive integer. If you change the order -5 multiply -2 that is 10. It means if you change the order in a multiplication answer is same. So you can write for integer a and b. If you select any two integer a and b then we can write a multiply b is equal to b multiply a. It means integers are commutative for મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન મીન્સ જો બે ઇન્ટીજર મલ્ટીપ્લાયમાં હોય તો તમે એના ઓર્ડર ચેન્જ કરી શકો. -2 multiply 5 is same as 5 multiply -2. Now multiplication by 0. If you multiply any integer with 0, so -3 multiply 0 is 0, -5 multiply 0 is 0. 0 multiply 8 is 0 and 8 multiply -6 is also 0. For integer a multiply 0 is equal to 0 multiply a, that is 0. We can write if we multiply any integer with 0, જેમ multiplication normal whole numbers નું multiplication કરીએ, કોઈ પણ નંબર ને 0 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો 0 જ આવે. Same rule can be applied for integer. If we multiply any integer with 0, answer is 0. Next, multiplicative identity. As we learn additive identity. What is the additive identity? Do you remember how we can find the additive identity? Additive identity means which number we add in number, so we will get same number. એવો કયો નંબર કોઈપણ ઇન્ટીજરમાં એડ કરે તો આન્સર એનો એ જ નંબર આવે, that is 0. તમે કોઈપણ નંબરમાં 0 એડ કરો તો એનો એ જ આન્સર આવે. Same, which number we multiply with integer to get same number, that is 1. કોઈપણ નંબરમાં 1 મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો આન્સર એનો એ જ નંબર આવે. That's why we can write -5 multiply 1 is -5, 6 multiply 1 that is 6, 1 multiply -11 that is -11, 1 multiply -28 is -28. So we can say 1 is called multiplicative identity. Remember these two statements that can be asked for blank and MCQ. 0 is additive identity and 1 is multiplicative identity. So we can write a multiply 1 is equal to 1 multiply a is equal to a. It means if you multiply 1 with any integer, answer is same integer. That's why 1 is called multiplicative identity. After commutative property, there is associative property. Also we learn associative property for addition. Do you remember that? Associative property means we can change the group for addition. Okay, means if we add first two number and for a second time if we add second and third number, the answer will remain same. Same we need to check for multiplication. Here I select three integers that are -3, 2 and -5. For first time I make a group of second and third. So 2 multiply -5 that is -10, and after that I multiply the first integer that is -3 multiply -10 that is 30. -3 multiply 2. Now I make a group of first and second. So -3 multiply 2 that is what? -6. After that I multiply third integer that is -5. So again answer is same. In a first I make a group of second and third, and second time I make a group of first and second, but answer is same. This property says if you change the group in a multiplication, answer will remain same. So we can write for integer a, b and c, a multiply into bracket b multiply c is equal to a multiply b, that is in a group, multiply c. So integers are associative for multiplication. I hope you understood the today's topic, that is multiplication of integer and properties of integer. We learn three properties: closure, commutative and associative. We will see the distributive property for next topic.